Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be blending some paint to the existing paint. We did fix a couple of dents, so let's just begin. Alright, this is a Nissan Pathfinder. We fixed a couple of dents that it had, so we're just going to blend the paint to the existing paint, re-clear, get it out of here. I already did the fixing of the dents. They were minor little dents, but all in all, it looks good. Remember guys, whenever you're going to re-clear on this area, there's no cutting point. So I'm just going to re-clear all the way to this cut point right there. It's a lot easier. It's a lot better. I don't want to use some blending clear. I don't really like it. So I'm just going to re-clear the entire thing. What I did, I just scuffed everything down with 800 and it's good to go. Now I know that most of the owners or customers of these type of little dents, they just say, just fix a little dent, that's it. Well, I advise them, we're gonna have to re-clear the whole thing. No, just fix the dent and just paint it right there. That's not the way it works, guys. That is not the way. I wish it was, but that's not the way it works. You need to blend the paint. You need to re-clear the entire thing, including these two little minor dents there. So I explained it to them, and they didn't know as to why I was gonna have to re-clear the entire thing, but that's the way it needs to be. This is a paint right here. It's Force Red Pearl. The code is NAH right there. I did get a quart. Reason being, it doesn't take that much on these two parts, but they got a brand new bumper cover that I'm gonna have to repaint. So that's the reason there's a quart. But let's just mix it up, spray it, blend it, and re-clear it. Let's go. There it is, the first coat. All I'm doing is just misting it on. I need to mist a little bit. I don't want to go heavy at first, so we're just going to mist it on. Then we're going to come back, let it set for about 10 minutes, then come back and apply some more paint. This is a third coat. Now this color is a little bit hard to cover. I can still see, and that's because I applied some red primer, but it's getting there. We're gonna apply a couple of coats more, blending it out the way I'm doing it, and just re-clear it. So far so good. Now the air that you saw me use, I'm just forcing air for the paint to dry. That's all it is. Let me show it to you right here. This is you just connect it to your air hose and just apply some air. It just makes it a little bit quicker for these little small areas to dry, so that I can continue with the paint. Here's the first coat of clear. The paint matched perfectly, blend perfectly. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're gonna wait 15 minutes for it to dry, apply a second coat, and we'll be done with this part. And here it is, guys. Nicely blended. There you go. Good to go. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, remove the plastic covering, and this part of the Pathfinder is done. All we're gonna have to do is the front bumper, but there you go. And this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you now know how to blend paint. So thank you very much. Like always, have a great week, have a great weekend, and stay safe, and God bless.